In this video, you will learn about the trim command. Draw the line across these two rooms. Press F8 to turn off ortho, so you can draw a diagonal line. Now, let's find the trim tools. It's located here in the Modify panel. Click the drop-down arrow and choose Trim. It starts with the Select Object prompt. For now, just select this object and then press Enter. The next step is to select the object to trim. I'm going to click right here, and that would trim off this part of the line. Press Enter or Escape to finish the command. Let's try it again. This time, I'm going to select everything in the drawing. Press Enter again to enter the trim command, and select all. By selecting all, it will trim off everything that intersects with another line. Press Enter. Now, I can click the segment that I want to trim. As you can see, it gets rid of every segment I click that intersected with other lines. But you notice that I can't trim this small line here, because there's nothing that crosses to it. Now, I press Enter to end the command. Let's draw another line. I use Trim again. This time, I'm not going to select an object. Instead, I'm going to press Enter. Now, click everything intersected that you would like to trim. Press Enter to end the command. You can also extend the line through Trim command. Let's draw another line. I use Trim again, and I press Enter to select all the objects in the drawing as potential boundaries. Instead of trimming, I'm going to hold down the Shift key. This will invert the command. Now, it works like Extend. If I click here, I can extend the line. I let go of Shift key now. I will come over here and click, and that would trim off that piece. I hold down the Shift again, so that now we're doing the opposite command, Extend. I click here, and the line extends to the next boundary edge. Clicking again goes to the next boundary. I cannot extend now because there were no more objects or boundaries ahead of the lines. I press Enter to exit the command.